Hi, my name is Calvin King, and I will be presenting the idea of Sophos. Crypto is growing fast, but trust hasn't grown with it.
Right now, people use platforms like CoinGecko, Glassnode, and CoinMarketCap to research projects. The problem isn't that there's no data, it's that there's too much of it, and it's often overwhelming and unreliable. Users are stuck reading technical jargon, navigating complex dashboards, or even relying on social media as research. At the same time, scam tokens continue to appear, costing investors billions and damaging confidence in the entire crypto ecosystem. The industry focuses completely on information volume, but not actually on information credibility. Sophos is an embedded, trust-based crypto research layer that integrates directly into exchanges. Instead of opening multiple tabs and decoding confusing metrics, we provide built-in scam filtering, AI-driven risk scoring for tokens, and clear, actionable explanations all in one place. We're not just adding more data, we're transforming how users evaluate risk.
Our tagline is turning crypto data into trusted decisions.
When we look at the current market, we see a classic red ocean.
When we map the current market on the strategy canvas, we see a clear pattern. Platforms like CoinGecko, Glassnode, and CoinMarketCap compete heavily on depth of analytics, community insights, and broad coverage. The battle is about more data, more dashboards, and more metrics. But when we look at reliability, unique scam filtering tools, real-time alerts, and ease of use, the scores drop. That's the gap. The industry is optimized for information volume, not trust.
There are 3 tiers in our target market. Tier 1 includes traders using research tools, but frustrated by unreliable data and high costs. Tier 2 includes casual investors who avoid research platforms because they're confusing or expensive, relying on social media instead. And Tier 3 includes stock investors avoiding crypto entirely due to scam fears or informational overload. This isn't a small niche. It's the massive trust gap preventing mainstream adoption of crypto. Using the Eliminate, Reduce, Raise, Create framework, we redesigned what crypto research should look like. We eliminate unverified or scam tokens, overly technical jargon, paywalls, and hype-driven bias. We reduce reliance on social media sentiment and information overload from low-value metrics.
We raise data reliability, scam detection, ease of use, actionable insights, and transparency around scoring.
And most importantly, we create a safe entry point for new and traditional investors where credibility itself is the core product.
So far, we've built a functional website prototype simulating Sophos integration into exchanges. We've developed a preliminary AI-based risk scoring framework and designed the user experience around clarity and simplicity. Crypto already has innovation speed, and Sophos adds credibility, and credibility allows the market to mature and grow sustainably. Everyone else in crypto research is fighting to provide more data, more metrics, and more complexity, but we're changing the battle. Instead of competing on who has the most charts, we compete on who users can actually trust. And because Sophos integrates directly into crypto exchanges, we scale instantly without massive acquisition costs. And since our risk scoring is automated and AI-driven, we provide high value without high operational costs. Crypto already has innovation. What it needs is confidence, and that's what we're building.